everyone, I am Jala. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a grammar lesson. This lesson can be useful for beginners. I'm gonna speak about personal and possessive pronouns. So let's get started. Personal pronouns have two cases, common case and objective case. In common case, we say I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. We use he for boys, for men. My brother is a driver, means he is a driver. But we use she for woman, for girls. My sister is a nurse, means she is a nurse. We use it for abstract nouns, for animals, for objects, for the things around us. My city is beautiful, means it is beautiful. This kitten is cute, means it is cute. My bag is on the table, means it is on the table. English is easy, means it is easy. Pay attention to the third person singular, he, she, it, as they can be used in a different way in some tense forms. We say, I like, you like, but we say, she likes, he likes, it likes. We say, I have, you have, but we say, she has, he has, it has. I have a book, you have a book, she has a book, he has a book. I speak English, you speak English, she speaks English, he speaks English. In objective case, we say me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. We usually use objective forms after the verbs. I see him, I see her. We like it, we like him. She helps me, I help her. Give me, give him, give her, give us, give them. We can also use objective forms after prepositions, like in, on, it, before, from, for, and so on. For example, we say, I'm afraid of him. We don't say, I'm afraid of he. She's fond of me. We don't say, she's fond of I. I do it for him. We don't say, I do it for he. She'll go with me. I haven't heard from them for a long time. Let's give some more examples for personal pronouns. My dad is in the dining room. He is eating. I love him. My mom is in the kitchen. She is cooking. I love her. My car is in the yard. It's new. I like it. My dad and mom are at school. They are teachers. I love them. My book and pencil are in the bag. They are new. My dad bought them. The book is heavy. It is heavy. The books are heavy. They are heavy. Now let's learn about possessive pronouns. We say my, your, her, his, its, our, your, their, We usually use nouns after these pronouns. My book, your book, her book, his book, our books, your books, their books. We also have personal pronouns that can't be used with nouns. We don't use nouns after these pronouns. Mine, yours, hers, his, its, ours, yours, theirs. We say, it's my car. We can also say, it's mine. This book is my book. We don't need to use the noun. We say, this book is mine. My name is Jala. What's yours? We can also say, what's your name? This house is my brother's. It's his. This house is my sister's. It's hers. We can also say, it's her house. Our work is more difficult than their work. We can also say, our work is more difficult than theirs. I've left my pen at home. Can you give me yours? We can also say, can you give me your pen? My friend. We can also say, a friend of mine. Your book. A book of yours. Her friend. A friend of hers. Our house. A house of ours. My friend is getting married. We can also say, a friend of mine is getting married. She'll help her neighbor. She'll help a neighbor of hers. We'll do our work. We'll do work of ours. We can also use the word own after personal pronouns. My own, your own, her own. My own car, her own family. We sometimes use my own, your own when something that's only mine, only yours, not shared or borrowed. For example, I don't want to share a room with anybody. I want my own room. This is his own mistake. Nobody else is guilty. We can also say on my own, on your own, on his own. It means alone. I do my work on my own. I do it alone. He is sitting on his own. He is sitting alone. Nobody is with him. She likes living on her own. She likes living alone. So I hope this lesson can be useful for you. Practice. Use personal and possessive pronouns in your speech. Keep on learning English with me. See you next time.